Okay, Mario, for goal number 1, we're going to do it a little bit different. I went ahead and put worksheets. So, lo que vamos a hacer es que ya puse unas worksheets aquí para que trabajaras en ellas. That's why I wanted your mom to pick up the packet. So, let's see here. So, we're still doing what is a letter and what is a sound. So, here, you're going to tell me what is a letter and then what is a sound. And then the same thing for the next one. There's 1, 2, 3. I think it goes all the way to letter E. It goes to letter E. So I want to make sure that you get this done. You're going to color the pictures that begin with the letter E. So everything that starts with the letter E, or if you don't have the packet, just tell me what is the letter and what is the sound, and I want you to write it down. So en un papel vas a escribir la letra I, y luego me vas a escribir what is the letter, and then what is the sound. Or you can just record yourself. For the following week, what you're going to be doing is the same similar worksheets. So for the following week, it's the same thing. You'll be doing F, G, H, I, J. And then the following week, you're going to be doing what is the letter and what is the sound. Es todo igual. What is the letter and what is the sound? I just want you to be doing that. I just did it a different way now. So that's going to be your goal number 1. So just what is the letter, what is the sound? Me las vas a decir de A hasta la letter. You're doing A all the way to E. So A to E and then F through L. So let's see, what is the letter? A. What is the sound? A. All the way to the letter L. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So son más letras, okay? For goal number 2, let's see. For goal number 2, we have the sight words. So for that one, aquí te puse las palabras. You have funny, get, go, good, have, he, help, hear, I, in, into, is, it, like, little, look, make, me, must, my, new, no, one, other, and our. I want you to tell me at least 15 words and record yourself. The same thing as last time, nomás que pues it just looks different. And you're just going to be doing goal 1 and 2. Then on Fridays, you're going to be doing 3 and 4. Those have changed. These first 2 didn't. So if you have any questions, just contact me, but it shouldn't be that hard.